So I was in the middle of changing out the tail lights and painting the back panel. So that stripped down right now. So right now, before the sun goes down, these don't work and this one's cracked. So I got some LED side markers we're gonna throw in this bad boy as soon as I find my start head. Let's do it. So these are the marker lenses I got. It's like 25 bucks on Amazon. LED. It's supposed to look like, it's kind of like a laser beam, like a lightsaber look. They're pretty dope. Let's see what they look like. So I got the passenger one out. That's the one that was broken. So outside, black it out, kind of give it that like aggressive look. Let's do it. So I got one plugged in. Not as bright as I thought they'd be, but they're kind of dope looking. See what they look like in a little bit darker light.
Motherfucker gonna be right.
So there they go at night. Pretty bright for real,
But these look good too, though.
Look at the LED side markers.